it's Seana of the Seana Method, and I am here with a travel organizing tip. One thing I often recommend that you bring along on your vacation, on your trip, is an extra empty duffel bag. Sometimes we fill our suitcases, take them on vacation, and then while we're on vacation, we maybe buy some souvenirs. Or maybe we travel to visit a parent and they say, hey, here are a few things to take home with you when you go. So in other words, it's common to feel like we have more to bring home than we had when we left. A duffel bag can get almost invisible in your suitcase. You can just tuck it in there flat on the bottom before you start loading everything in. And yet it will give you some flexibility when it comes time to travel home. You can use it as a laundry bag if you have fragile things that you want to sort of tuck into your more rigid suitcase. Or you can just have an extra bag to throw in the car, or if you're coming by plane, to check through. Having this duffel bag will save you from having to squish things into a bag, from having luggage that is overweight, or from sort of having to panic and find a way to ship items home, wasting precious vacation time for those souvenirs. Hope this tip helps. Have a great vacation.